Hi, we're Sharon and Phil. Welcome back to our Islay whisky van tour. Yesterday, we took the ferry and arrived on Islay and found an amazing park up for our first night. Today, we'll give you a full tour of our VW campervan and take you along to our second distillery of the trip for a tasting experience. Morning. We just had our breakfast, enjoying our coffee with this for our view. This is the sink. The tap just pulls up like this, and then you just press this for the water. So fairly straightforward. And over here, got a 2-hob gas burner. That's our dinner leftovers from last night. That'll be lunch today. And the kettle. They also gave us some little containers to keep things from rolling around in the camper van. Here's the control panel. This is for your battery, your water, your power. This is the diesel heater. This controls the heater. We used that. It was very cozy last night. This is the main power for the whole van, so we leave this on because this controls the fridge. The lights. Here, this is a 3-point plug. For use if you're connected to an electric hookup, and the 12 volt you can use off of the leisure battery. Okay, so up here we've got some storage. They've equipped it with cleaning materials, condiments and teas and coffees, and also some Horlicks and some hot chocolates and marshmallows for your hot chocolate. And then in here, more storage. They've just put some snacks in there for us and some kitchen foil and a table mat. Okay. Reading lamp here if you want to sit and read. And then in here is your storage for clothes and everything else. They even gave us some hot water bottles if it gets cold. And in here is your cups, plates, bowls, glasses. And we have a coffee cafetiere, yay! And then down here, frying pan and pots and a colander. And then over here we've got the gas oven and grill. And then below that, just a storage cupboard which we filled with all our snacks and drinks. Don't need to go in the fridge. This is the cutlery drawer. Got a tin opener, utensils, scissors, everything you need. And then in here, this is the wee fridge. It's got a little ice box and it's absolutely stuffed full with all our food and drinks. Okay, so underneath here we've got some more storage. This can be accessed from here and from the back. And then to pull this out and turn it into a bed, you just use this hook, pull it up, and then this flattens out, becomes a bed. The chairs swivel round so that you get extra seating, so you can sit and face each other. Okay, now when the roof is up, you've got absolutely tons of headspace, plenty of space. And then when you want to go to bed, you bring this down So this is our cozy little home for the next 5 days. So we're looking forward to exploring more of Islay in the van. And it's a gorgeous day today, nice and sunny. So we're parked up right next to the Bunnahabhain Distillery, and we're going there at 11 for drams in the visitor centre. So we'll take you along to have a look at that distillery. So this is Bunnahabhain Distillery. The BH is pronounced B, so it's Bunnahabhain. We've got an experienced cook here to have a tasting, drams tasting. So we're going to go and have a look around. Let's go and see it.
This is a Through there, 46%. 12-year-old, that's your standard one, 46. 18-year-old, seems to try and get the taste of sherry out of it, 46.3. This is the actual sherry cask one. The Amontillado. That's the name of the sherry. Amontillado, that's it. 57.4. And 7-year-old Money. Is it Money? Yeah.
It's
Money.
Gaelic for Pete.
Gaelic for Pete, so that's the peaty one. 59.2. So these are the little taster thing you get to take away. So you help yourself. You drink them up. But what you don't drink, or what you don't want to have for later, you keep in it, and you take this little box away. So it's pretty cool. So we're really enjoying that.
Barrels. One is pointing to Tobermory, which is over there. You can see in the distance the Isle of Mull. The Tobermory Distillery is over there. And then here they've got Leanston, which is a distillery near Stirling. So these are the two sister distilleries that are owned by the same company as Bunnahabhain. We will find out on the tour. And yeah, so we've got our wee goodie bag. And going to do some shots to show you the distillery from the air. Distillery. There's a little car park, and there's a gate with a walk to the Bholsa Caves. I'd never heard of them, but when I was looking into this trip, I was watching some videos on YouTube. A local couple actually, they have a YouTube channel called Artview, and they had a video of this walk. So we're going to do this walk. I'm actually going to run it, part of it, because I'm training for a kilometre next weekend. So I'm going to try and run part of the walk. Then let Phil catch up with me.
As far as I can tell, it's about over there somewhere. So I think we'll find out when we look back. See
We
ya.
have directions, so hopefully we can follow them. Okay.
walk up in between these two hills. Sharon over there, searching for the caves. Hopefully they're soon.
We had some amazing views on the walk, but the caves were much further than we had expected. Also, we set off a bit late in the day to make it all the way, so we ended up turning back halfway, as we were headed off to another park up this evening on the other side of the island, Machir Bay.
Yep, we're gonna try and park up here for the night. The road is quite rough. Yep. So this is our spot for tonight. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yep.
Looks alright.
The beach is just over that dune.
Yep. Take a walk down there in a little while. We've got a bin. That's good. So yeah, let's get settled in. This is our park up for tonight. We're at Machir Bay. The sun is about to set, so we're going to walk down to the beach and watch the sunset. Come on.
Let's go. Lovely sunset. Lovely sand. Good to see some. Again, another beach all to ourselves. That's for sure.
Fancy coming back tomorrow morning for a swim?
Maybe. Depends if it's windy or not. That's the problem. It's just so cold outside the water.
Dinner tonight are these gluten-free, plant-based focaccias, sun-dried tomato, and garlicky. Sounds yummy. Getting ready. Finishing off our evening by drinking the rest of our Bunnahabhain samples from our Ardnahoe glasses whilst eating vegan chocolate puddings and playing Scrabble. And we are using our Ardnahoe gift bag to mix the letters.
Perfect.
Yay!
Thanks for joining us for another beautiful day on Islay. Join us again tomorrow to explore Machir Bay a bit further and visit 2 more whisky distilleries. See you then!